In today's video, ikukumpara natin ang Rapid Cloud at Kinsta sa pag-manage ng WordPress. Ito ang mga hosting provider that promises speed, security, and reliability. Sa dulo ng video na to, malalaman mo kung alin ba ang bagay sa'yo. Whether you're launching your first website, running a growing business, o naghahanap ng upgrade, isipin mo na ang hosting provider mo ay parang foundation ng bahay. Kapag matibay to, magiging stable, secure, at pangmatagalan ng website mo. Pero kung mahina ang pundasyon, madalas ka magkakaproblema. Mabagal na speed, downtime, security risk, at pag-crash ng site. Kaya alin sa mga provider na ito ang strongest foundation for your website? Let's go ahead and get into it. Unahin natin, ano nga ba ang Rapid Cloud? Ang Rapid Cloud ay isang fully managed WordPress hosting provider na ginawa para sa mga baguhan, bloggers, at small to mid-sized businesses who want a fast, secure, and hassle-free hosting experience. Inaayos nito ang lahat mula sa performance optimization, security updates, backups, at technical maintenance, kaya hindi mo kailangan mag-alala sa back-end ng website mo. Ano naman ang Kinsta? Ang Kinsta ay isang premium managed WordPress hosting provider na nakatutok sa high-performance cloud hosting. Di tulad ng traditional na hosting providers, gamit ng Kinsta ang Google Cloud Platform at ang pinakamabilis nitong servers para maghatid ng outstanding at ang pinakamabilis nitong servers to deliver exceptional speed and reliability. Ang Kinsta ay ginawa para sa mga negosyo, agencies, and high-traffic websites na nangangailangan ng top-tier performance, security, and availability. Ngayon, tignan natin ang ilan sa mga pangunahing features ng bawat isa. Starting off with Rapid Cloud. Ang Rapid Cloud ay ginawa para sa bilis, security, and ease of use. Ang cloud-based na infrastructure nito ay nagbibigay ng mabilis na website loading times gamit ang built-in caching, content delivery network or CDN, at ready-to-use object caching. Di tulad ng ibang hosting providers na may dagdag na bayad para sa performance enhancements, kasama na mga features na ito sa base price ng Rapid Cloud. Security is a major focus. Ang Rapid Cloud ay may web application firewall, libreng SSL certificates, real-time malware scanning, protection laban sa brute force attacks, at automatic security update. Di tulad ng maraming hosting providers na nangangailangan na hiwalay na security plugins, Rapid Cloud builds these protection directly to the platform. Isa sa strongest nitong features ay ang 24/7 live chat support na may 45-second response time. Kung kailangan mo ng immediate help, hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng ilang oras para sa sagot. Nag-offer din ng Rapid Cloud ng libreng website migration ng walang downtime, kaya sobrang dali lumipat mula sa ibang hosting platform. Isa pang advantage ay ang 3-day free trial nito, which allows you to test it out before making a financial commitment. Ngayon, narito ang ilang mga pangunahing features ng Kinsta. Ang Kinsta ay designed para sa high-performance hosting at gumagamit ng premium tier network ng Google Cloud Platform to deliver fast speed and global scalability. Sa mahigit na 35 data centers worldwide, Kinsta ensures that websites load quickly no matter where visitors are located. Nagbibigay ang Kinsta ng automatic daily backups, a built-in CDN, and advanced caching to optimize performance. Di tulad ng Rapid Cloud, may staging environments din ng Kinsta, which allow users to test changes on a duplicate version of their site before pushing live updates. Malaking priority din ng security. Nag-aalok ang Kinsta ng DDoS protection, automatic malware detection, and enterprise-level firewalls. Ang dashboard ng Kinsta ay custom-built at designed para sa mga parehong baguhan at experienced users, kaya madali at intuitive ang pag-manage ng hosting environment mo. Now, tignan naman natin ang pricing at mga plans for each. We'll start off with Rapid Cloud. Meron tayong 25% off discount for annual plans, which I will show you how to access. I-click ang exclusive link namin sa description para mapunta ka sa page na to. Makikita mo na marami silang iba't ibang options. You can save over $700 on their performance plan, which is huge. Pero tignan muna natin ang lahat ng pricing options at plans nila. Starting off with the Lite plan. You can save $70 kung mag-sign up ka ngayon, kaya magiging $29 na lang per month kapag paid annually, which totals around $350 per year. With this plan, you get 200,000 estimated visits, 30GB of storage, 99.99% uptime guarantee, unlimited free CDN, 30GB of off-site backup storage in one website. Next, the most popular startup plan. Sa ngayon, you can save $240, bringing the cost to $99 per month when paid annually, which totals around $1,100 per year. Kasama sa Startup 1 plan, ang 500,000 estimated visits, 36 auto-scaling supercharged PHP workers, 100GB of storage, 99.99% uptime guarantee, unlimited free CDN, 200GB of off-site backup storage, and one website. Lastly, the Performance plan. Makakatipid ka ng $720 ngayon na sobrang laking discount. This plan costs $299 per month, paid annually, totaling $3,500 per year. Sa plan na to, makukuha mo 2.5 million estimated visits, more auto-scaling supercharged PHP workers, more storage, 99.99% uptime guarantee, mas marami pang backup storage, and one website. Performance comparison. Ang cool sa page na to ay makikita mo ang lahat ng benchmarking kumpara sa ibang hosting providers. Halimbawa, kung i-hover mo ang section na to, makikita mo na sa average, the similarly priced Business One plan on Kinsta delivers less than 47% of the performance of the Startup One plan. Makikita mo ang benchmark na ito against multiple different hosting platforms, which is super useful useful for comparison. How to get sign up and save more. Para makapagsimula, i-click ang Start for Free, then piliin ang plan mo at i-click ang Start Free Trial. Para makakuha ng dagdag na 25% off sa annual plans, ilagay ang code ng My First Website sa checkout, i-click ang Apply at enjoyin ang malaking discount na to. Kaya siguraduhin mong gamitin ang My First Website sa checkout ha. Now let's take a look at different plans and pricing for Kinsta. Again, to get the best price possible, siguraduhin mong gamitin ang link sa description. Dito makikita mo na nag-aalok sila ng parehong monthly and annual plans. Single site plan, which is $30 per month. This plan includes 1 WordPress install, 35,000 visits, 10 GB of storage, free migration, 14-day backup retention, and free trial available. Multiple sites plan is $59 per month if paid manually. Sa plan na to, makukuha mong 2 WordPress installs, 70,000 visits, 20 GB of storage, 250 GB of CDN, unlimited free migrations, 14-day backup retention. Agency program starts at $284 per month, billed annually. Ang plan na to ay best for web agencies and freelancers working with clients. Makakakuha ka ng up to $10,000 in hosting credit for eligible agencies, free hosting for your agency site, listing in Kinsta's agency directory, unbranded WordPress admin experience, access to account management, and even more. Since the agency program requires customization, kailangan mo makipag-usap sa sales team nila to get signed up. Risk-free trials and money-back guarantee. May free trial para sa single site plan at multiple sites plan. Nag-aalok din sila ng 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it out risk-free. Kapag nag-decide ka within 30 days na hindi ito ang right fit para sa'yo, pwede kang makakuha ng full refund. Now that you've seen all of the plans and pricing options, pag-usapan naman natin ng ilang pros at cons ng bawat isa. Starting off with Rapid Cloud. Pros: mabilis na speed dahil sa built-in performance optimizations. May built-in security features tulad ng firewall, malware scanning, and brute force protection. May instant customer support na 24/7 live chat at 45 seconds response time. Fully managed at hassle-free na hosting experience, perfect para sa mga negosyo at bloggers. Free site migration with zero downtime guarantee. Cons: mas kaunti ang customization kumpara sa Kinsta, kaya maaaring limitado ang mga user na kailangan ng highly specific na server configurations. Walang kasamang email hosting, kaya kailangan mag-setup ng hiwalay na service para sa business emails. Now, some of the pros and cons for Kinsta. Enterprise level speed and scalability, kaya ideal para sa mga high traffic na website. Gumagamit ng Google Cloud, kaya siguradong top-tier performance at reliability. Global data centers, kaya mabilis mag-load ang website kahit saan. May staging environments para masubukan mo muna ang mga pagbabago bago ito going live. Premium security features tulad ng DDoS protection and malware scanning. Cons: mas mataas ang presyo kumpara sa ibang hosting providers. Gumagamit ng ticket-based support system, which may not be ideal for users who need instant fixes. Walang instant live chat support, which could be frustrating for urgent issues. So ano ba ang dapat mong piliin? Kung naghahanap ka ng abot-kaya, beginner-friendly, at fully managed WordPress hosting na may excellent customer support, ang Rapid Cloud ang pinaka-the best na choice. Kung kailangan mo ng enterprise-level performance, advanced scalability at Google Cloud infrastructure, ang Kinsta ay isang mahusay na option pero may mas mataas itong presyo. Ang pagpili ng tamang hosting provider ay makakatulong na maiwasan ang maraming abala and make your website run smoother from day one. So take some time, compare the options, at piliin ang best fit para sa'yo. So that wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel at mag-leave ng comments or questions below. Gusto naming marinig ang feedback galing sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pananood at kita-kits sa susunod.